Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are well. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a industrial ad campaign in monetizekoro.com. First of all, we have opened monetizekoro.com. Then you will find a button here, advertise. You have to click here. Then you have to log in into your account. I'm logging into my account. You can see this is my account. Here I will create a industrial ad campaign. In the site, add new industrial ad. You have to click here. Then you will find this model. Here, first of all, you will find the option for ad name. Ad name can be anything. It will be only visible to you. You can enter your you can enter anything for identifying your ad. I'm giving unique host add-on. Then you have to add a ad title. It will be displayed bottom of the image or video which you are giving here. I'm giving like unique host video. Then you have to write a description for your ad. You can add anything here. Then you have to select your ad type. You can give image, video, or YouTube video. If you select image, you will find the option for selecting image. Then if you select video, you will find the option for giving your video MP4 link. Then you will find a YouTube video option. Here you can enter your YouTube's video embed link. So I'm giving image. In this image section, you can give PNG, JPG, or GIF, anything. I'm giving GIF. Then you have to select here country. I want to show in Bangladesh. Then you have to enter how many impressions do you want. I want 1000. Then you have to add your website URL. I am adding my website URL. Then you have to enter your CPC bid. It's how much you want to pay advertiser for every click. I'm giving the minimum amount. Then CPM bid, how much you want to give for every 1000 impressions. I want to give the minimum amount. Then you have to click on create industrial ad. You can see your industrial ad was created successfully. Now you have to refresh. After refreshing, you will find this my industrial ads. You have to click here, then you will find your ad name. So this is your industrial ad. It will be displayed now. This is a website where Monetize Koro industrial ad is integrated. You can see our ad will be displayed like this. This is a GIF, so it's showing animation, and if someone click on the image or visit now button, they will be redirected to our link which we have given. Thanks for watching our today's video. In our next video, we will show you how you can create banner ad or video ad. We will show you everything. Here you can see there is many formats. We will show you every format. And if you want to integrate Monetize Koro ad network in your website, you can check out this video which will be displayed in the screen. Thanks.